So I'm going to outline the steps for adding Steam Deck shortcuts to use in the Restream service using the Elgato Stream Deck as a source for the button keys in order to use your Restream service. Obviously, if you know you have your Restream service, if you hover in a smaller screen format, you're not going to see anything. But if you open your screen wide, you're going to be able to see actually what the shortcuts are. See, there's Shift 1, Shift 2, etc. You can go hover over every single part of the Restream format, but you can also do something else, which is probably go to the settings and figure out, down here you have all the other ones, but you can go to the settings, and in settings you can actually look at all the shortcuts. Please keep those near or remember them, or just note them down, copy them, because we're going to set up the Elgato Stream Deck device, which is over here. So the process is very simple. The only thing you have to do is basically, I'm going to erase that one that I created, and it's as simple as this is. So the process is quite straightforward. I haven't seen it at the Restream help page, and it's basically, I have here some buttons that I already set up, and it's as simple as using the shortcuts. In this case, it's in the Spanish keyboard, so you can add those. I'm going to show you a very simple example of how to add a new button. Basically, you're going to set where you want it to happen. You're going to navigation in Spanish, and what you're going to be using is shortcut. It's shortcut in English. So you're going to put that over, and basically it's going to record your keys. For example, I'm going to use Shift and 2. That would bring up a different screen setting, and voila, that's it. As simple as that. Now you can use Restream service and push buttons in Stream Deck while you are streaming to your audience.